Hello everyone, this is the week 2 addition and difference within 10,000 solution video. Problem 1, 25 plus 46. So let me just do a few in the vertical method and then I'll tell you guys what it is because there's too much problems here. So number 1, 25 plus 46 equals. So we always start from the right. 5 plus 6, that gives us 11. Carry the 1 over to the left. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So 25 plus 46, 71. Let's do the next one. 78 plus 59. 9 plus 8, 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So 137. And then 123 plus 37. Let's do it. 123 plus 37. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry the 1 over. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Carry the 1 down, 160. And then last one, I'm going to do it with you guys. So let me write it out again. 166 plus 140, carry the 6 down, 6 plus 4, 10, carry the 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 306. And then let me just write down the answers. Assuming that you did the vertical method, then the next one would just be 443. The next one would be 633. The next one, 500. The next one, 415. And finally, the last one, 837. So for this problem, all you have to do is grasp the vertical method when you add two numbers. Okay, and let's move on. Problem 2. Jack's monthly cell phone bill is $150. Also, he pays $59 for the internet service each month. A telecom company offers Jack $200 per month for phone plus internet. If Jack switches to that company, how much will he save every month? So right now, he is paying $150 plus $59 for the internet service. And these added together, that is just $209. And then if he switches to $200 a month, then all he's saving is 209 minus 200, and that gives us $9. So he could save $9. Problem 3. Below are the number of pages in the Harry Potter books. So let's look at the table for a second. For example, the first one, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, that's 223 pages. And then Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, 251 pages, and so on. What is the total number of pages of the first three books? So the first three books is circled. And then the first three books, all we have to do is 223 plus 251 plus 317. So as always, we start from the top first. Equals to 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. Carry the 1 over here. And then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. And finally, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So therefore, the first three books have a total of 791 pages. Problem 4. Jennifer drove from Irvine in Orange County to Yosemite National Park. She made a stop at Berkeley to see a friend. If the travel distance from Irvine to Berkeley is 414 miles and the distance from Berkeley to Yosemite is 160 miles, what was Jennifer's total travel distance? So let us write a graph first. Let's just say the middle is Berkeley, and then left is Irvine, and right is Yosemite. Okay, Yosemite. All right. And then from Irvine to Berkeley, it says that it is 414 miles. And then from Berkeley to Yosemite, it is 160 miles. So when we add these two together, 414 miles plus 160 miles, we get on the right side, it's 4, 1 plus 6, 7, and 4 plus 1, 5. So in total, she traveled 574 miles from Irvine to Yosemite. Problem 5. Five friends A, B, C, D, and E have their 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th birthday on January 1st of 2023. In which year will they be together 200 years old? So right now their ages are 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And they have their birthday January 1st, 2023. And then if you add these together, in 2023, together their ages is 120 years old. And then the gap is 200 minus 120 equals to 80 years left until they are together 200 years old. So 80 can be written into 16 times 5. Since there are 5 of them and each one counts for 1 year, we just add 223 to 16 because that's the number of years until they reach 80. And then we get 239 or 2039. So in the year 2039, they will be 200 years old together. Let's move on. Problem 6. Find 100 minus 99 plus 98 minus 97 plus 96 and so on. So for this problem, we can just group them together. So 100 minus 99, 98 minus 97, 96 minus 95, and so on. And notice that for each of these, it is 1. The value is 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. And you're adding all of these ones together. And since there are 5 ones, we know that the sum is 5. Problem 7. Fill in the blank for these blank numbers. We know that if something plus 3 equals to 5, we can just put 2 inside. And then, since there is no carryover, we can just do 2 plus 8 equals to 10. So we carry over the 1 over here, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. For the second one, we can do 5 plus 6 equals to 11, carry over the 1. And then since we're carrying over a 1, we have to be careful here. It is a 3, not a 4, because we carry over a 1. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4, 4 plus 4 equals to 8. And since there's no carryover, we can just do 2 plus 3 equals to 5. And then finally, for the last one, 3 plus 9 equals to 12. So we put the 2 at the bottom, carry the 1 over. And then since 7 plus 1 would already be 7, and since there's a 7 at the bottom, we know that there must be a carryover, and the bottom 7 is actually 17. So we can write 9 at the top, so 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. We carry over the 1 over here, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. And that's how you get these answers. And finally, problem 8, follow the instructions in this flowchart. Start with 5, subtract 2, multiply by 3. Is this greater than 50? Yes or no? Let's start off with this pattern. We start with 5, then we subtract 2, which is 3, and then multiply by 3 equals to 9. Is this greater than 50? No. Well, we select no, so we have to subtract 2 again, equals to 7, and then multiply by 3 again, 21. And this is still not greater than 50, so we need to repeat the pattern again, since as you can see in the green below, this is an arrow that's if it's not greater than 50, we need to repeat the pattern. So 21 minus 2 equals to 19, multiply by 3, that gives us 57. And is this greater than 50? Well, as we can see, 57 is obviously greater than 50, so therefore the answer is 57. So 19 times 3 is 57, so the answer is 57.